John Bolton was President Trump's third national security advisor and had a front row seat to some of the administration's most sensitive and perhaps controversial decisions. Now he's set to release a book about what he witnessed, and it's not good reading for the White House. That's why it tried to stop the book's publication. But a federal judge has now ruled that while Bolton had gambled with national security, the administration had not shown how it would suffer harm if the publication of the book went ahead, and he refused to grant an emergency injunction. The phrase used by the judge was, "The horse is out of the barn." He also indicated the administration may have had greater success if it had brought the injunction at the time that John Bolton allegedly walked away from the review process, and before the widespread publication of quotations from the book. It's been a rocky few days for the Attorney General William Barr and his Justice Department. Late Friday, he tried to demote the prosecutor of New York's powerful Southern District Court. But Geoffrey Berman refused to step down.
I issued a statement last night. I have nothing to add to that this morning. I'm just here to do my job.
Waiting in his office, though, was a letter from the Attorney General confirming that President Trump had agreed to fire him with immediate effect.
Well, that's all up to the Attorney General. Attorney General Barr is working on that. That's his department, not my department. But we have a very capable Attorney General, so that's really up to him. I'm not involved.
Barr says Berman's deputy will run the department until the president's new choice is in place. And he will now supervise, among other cases, the investigation of a Turkish bank that has been indicted on fraud, money laundering, and sanctions offenses.
We've had a great relationship.
In his book, John Bolton alleges Turkish President Tayyip Erdogan asked President Trump to use his influence to get the charges dropped.
And the president said to Erdogan at one point, look, those prosecutors in New York are Obama people. Wait till I get my people in, and then we'll take care of this. And I thought to myself, and I'm a Department of Justice alumnus myself, I've never heard any president say anything like that, ever.
They're highly classified.
As usual, the response of the White House is to attack. President Trump lashed out at John Bolton in a series of tweets, pointing to the judge's criticism as, I quote, a big court win. He continues, Bolton broke the law and has been called out and rebuked for so doing, with a really big price to pay. He likes dropping bombs on people and killing them. Now he will have bombs dropped on him.
Obviously, the book was already out and leaked and everything else, but he leaked classified information, so he's got a big problem.
The federal judge has ensured the public will be able to read John Bolton's allegations in full on Tuesday. But President Trump appears adamant civil or criminal charges against the former national security advisor are inevitable. Mike Hanna, Al Jazeera, Washington.